Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to change your voice during a call on your phone. If you're enjoying the video so far, please click subscribe and like. Let's dive in. Okay, first of all, we will use an application that is called Morphvox Jr. It's a free software that we'll use to change our voice. The link will be provided in the description, so go ahead, click download. And after going through the installation process, open the application. Then go to Morphvox on the top left and click Preferences. Then go to Device Settings. Here you need to select your microphone and select your playback, which is your speaker. Then click on Morph and click on Listen. This will make me listen to my voice after it's changed. Here I have a voice of a woman. And now tiny folks. In this version, you only have three options to change your voice into, but in other softwares that are paid, you'll have a lot more options. Then you need an application to connect to your phone and make calls. If you're using an Android phone, use the software called Phone Link. I have it right here, and I have my phone linked. Go to Calls and choose from your contacts or dial up any number, and the voice will be automatically transmitted. If you're using an iPhone, however, there is other softwares that are ready to connect to your phone, and it's much easier on a MacBook, of course, but it's still quite easy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.